Illusion of movement. We use a background and make it scroll to the left. This gives the illusion of movement for the player. Gravity. We use some math to apply gravity to the player. Input. To counteract gravity, the player can flap by hitting spacebar. Again, we use some math to apply an upward momentum. Hazards. First, we create a hazard template. There should always be a passable gap between the hazards. Next, we program a spawner far to the right outside of the screen. The spawned hazards get a fixed speed and will move to the left, again creating an illusion of movement for the player. Lose condition. If we touch a hazard, we lose. Score. Each time the player passes a hazard, the score increases by 1. You can find the used assets and the source code in the description. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and a subscription. Also, if you're interested in learning game dev, go check out my book.